Dear students, good morning and thank you all for joining the meeting today. On behalf of all my colleagues at saraswationline.com, I welcome each and every one of you. In the past year, we have really understood the importance of doctors and healthcare professionals in our society. I would like to congratulate you for choosing this profession. We wish you all the very best and hope you will emerge as successful doctors at the end of your course and will join the force of heroes like many of our alumni doctors. Without further delay, I would like to begin the opening ceremony. We have been joined by Dr. Partha Sharathi Ganguly, Chief Mentor, saraswationline.com. Shortly, we will be joined by Dr. Pradeep Mitra, former Director of Medical Education, Government of West Bengal, and Principal Advisor of Medical Education for saraswationline.com. We have our esteemed associates with us, Mr. Himanshu Singh, Mr. Joydeep Datta, Mr. Annadurai, Mr. Manoj, Mr. Soni, Mr. Saroj Mohanty, and Mr. Shiraz. So we also have with us Ms. Parthapriya Hemprakash, Overseas Operations Manager for Saraswati Online, and Mr. Ashok Kumar Singh, Vice President Sales and Marketing, and my other colleagues from saraswationline.com. We have also been joined by some of our alumni students and current students. You will be listening to them shortly. Firstly, I would like to invite Dr. Partha Sharathi Ganguly, Chief Mentor of saraswationline.com, to please address the students. Sir, over to you.
Very good morning to everyone. Both my colleagues from various parts of India and my colleagues from China and also from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and all the students from various places. Welcome to this world of MBBS, where there's an opportunity to become a doctor in a very seamless manner. And in this journey, this is the 16th year of enrollment for medical students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Pradeep Mitra, former Director of Medical Education, Government of West Bengal, and Principal Advisor of Medical Education for saraswationline.com. Sir, thank you very much for joining. We know you have a very busy schedule. I would request you to please address the students, sir.
Okay, thank you, Anaja. Actually, it's a great moment for me and for the students also. So it's a great moment actually for me and for the students also. And for the students, what I can say that is you have rightly chosen you have chosen the right path as one of the noblest profession in the world today. And there is actual requirement also for the doctors. Whole world needs doctor, and just you have seen this pandemic COVID and how the healthcare workers along with the doctors are serving the nation and also different nations practically all over the world. So and they are actually you can earn money in many professions, but thing is that here you can earn money, you can gain your experience, and also you will be recognized by the people for your noble it is service. This profession is service oriented, so you should know that you get both the places, earning money and also serving the people, and by serving the people also you in the process you earn money. So this is one of the noblest profession. So I welcome you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Your guidance is very important to us, and we hope the students will get your guidance throughout the journey. Thank you for joining, sir. Next, I would like to introduce the students to the teachers who will be taking their classes during the orientation program. So students, I will be sharing my screen so that you can see or meet your teachers. I hope you can see my screen. So firstly, we have the anatomy teacher. We have Dr. Shayantani Mojumdar. She is an MBBS, MD Anatomy, and currently is an assistant professor for JIM SH. Next, we have physiology teacher. Dr. Debaruti Chanda, MBBS, MD, Associate Professor currently for Jagannath Gupta Institute of Medical Science. And we have the Chinese language teachers who have joined us today. We have Ms. Song Ying and Mr. Allen who are here with us today, and I'm sure I will see that you can hear from them once we are done midway through the meeting. So next I would like to invite Ms. Parthapriya Hemprakash, Overseas Operations Manager for SaraswatiOnline.com, to just welcome the students briefly and address the students. Madam, over to you.
Thank you, Andrisha. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
All right. Thank you, and very good morning to all the students. If any parents have joined, to all colleagues, respected Dr. Ganguly, Dr. Mitro, and all our partners and from India and Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan. And good afternoon to my colleagues who have joined from China. So thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure to meet all of you here on the digital platform. And welcome to the world of discovering, enjoying the awe of discovering the human body, and also engaging yourself in the process of making yourself trustworthy, so that your advices are being honored, and the gratitude of helping somebody. I mean, medical profession is one profession that it involves intellectual as well as humanity, which has a human touch together. So this is the noble profession, and congratulations to all of you for being courageous and brave to take up this profession. And I would like to extend my best wishes to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Next, I would like to call Mr. Ashok Kumar Singh, Vice President, Sales and Marketing for SaraswatiOnline.com. I would request, sir, to please welcome the students and address them. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Anvisha. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Dr. Ganguly. Good morning, Dr. Pradeep Mitro, my colleagues. Good afternoon to my Chinese colleagues and all students. See, you are at the right place. A lot of people here are hugely experienced. And believe me, they can guide you. They can really make you a good doctor. From my side, I will only advise you to maintain two things. One is discipline, and two is dedication. If you will be disciplined, because it's a long-term course, for the next 5-6 years, you need to be disciplined. You need to study hard, and you need to be dedicated for your target. Congratulations that you have passed NEET, and congratulations that you have got selected in top universities of the world. You have been selected to few top universities of China or Bangladesh, and I'm telling you, this is a good achievement. So congratulations for achieving this till now. But for the next 5-6 years, be prepared to maintain a disciplined approach in study and be dedicated for your target.
Thank you, sir. We have also been joined by the Chinese language teachers, the teachers who will be actually guiding you with the Chinese language. We have Ms. Sylvia and Mr. Allen with us. So I request sir and madam to please come in and address the students. They will be interacting with you in the due course of time, but still we want you to address them at the beginning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Song Yi. You can call me Sylvia. So we are meeting in such a special occasion. Hope we can expect that this online class become offline soon. Future doctors. So the significance of doctors is greatly reviewed in combating COVID-19. So it's my honor to be your Chinese teacher, and thanks for this so cooperative team to give us this opportunity to assist to fulfill your study goal in China.
Hello everyone, I'm Alan. I'm a Chinese teacher for foreigners. It's my honor to be with you in the future journey. Welcome to China. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for joining us. We hope that the students will have a wonderful time with both of you. Thank you. Next, thank you, ma'am. Next, we will move on to some of our alumni students and current students. The alumni students have already passed out from our program and are currently working as doctors, and we also have some of our current students who are currently studying in the course. So we have with us Dr. Shubhadeep Panda. Dr. Shubhadeep Panda, if you can please come in and share briefly about your experiences during your course. It will be very helpful for the students, I believe. I would request Mr. Saroj Mohanty, our esteemed associate, to please come in and address the students. We would love to hear from you, sir. Mr. Saroj Mohanty, if you can please come in and address the students.
Very good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Not able to hear me properly. So, as every year, this is today, but this program is on virtual mode. And I have remembered, first I will just tell Namaskar to Dada. Good morning to everybody and my students, those are newly joined, all my friends and colleagues. So I have remembered every year this day. We used to go to the campus, so many students, arranging rooms, arranging foods. So everybody used to meet them personally. It's a very good program happens, but due to this COVID issues, all these things. But very many thanks that we are able to do something. We could assemble the students, we could go into the campus. So it's a very good thing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us today. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Manoj Kumar, our esteemed associate. He has joined us. I would request Mr. Manoj Kumar to please address the students briefly and welcome them. Mr. Manoj, do we have you with us?
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all students. Good morning, sir. Good morning, my colleagues. And today, all our students are starting a new journey. In fact, congratulations to all of them, because this is the beginning of a new journey. They have chosen the right career, because this is the career which gives many opportunity. At the same time, they can serve the population which is suffering in different ways.
Next, I see we have been joined by Mr. Himanshu Singh. Mr. Himanshu is also one of our esteemed associates. I would request Mr. Himanshu Singh to please come in and address the students briefly.
Good morning, everyone. I just welcome all the new students for this orientation classes. This would be a new type of experience for you, and first time we are conducting online classes, so your feedback would also be important for us. Any suggestion, any feedback after 1 or 2 days classes, you can let us know, and I wish them best of luck for their studies in China. Once the government of China and universities allow students, we are planning to send you there also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all for joining. Okay. Very good luck for all your classes. Please join the classes regularly. Thank you all. Thank you.